Hi guys. So if you can introduce yourselves.
I'm Gemma Duarte.
And what is your business, Gemma?
Actually, my business is I'm an investor, real estate.
Okay.
I do buy houses and fix them and resell them, and I do buy properties as well for rental.
Okay. And for yourself, Patricia?
My work
Yes.
now is personal trainer, online and personal too.
Okay. And so today, Selena and I did a workshop with you based on the 4 seasons and incorporating the 5 pillars. Gemma, if you want to start off and let us know how you found that for you towards your business.
Actually, I was surprised with the workshop because I found that really helped me to understand what is missing for me in the business, which I wasn't really aware that of that before. So it really helped me, basically now that I understand what is missing, I could actually apply it into my business, and I know it will change everything. So
Okay.
that was amazing.
So you've got some great goals
Absolutely.
and some strategies to move forward for 2018,
Yes.
2019.
Basically, that's what I'm actually gonna do, and the things that they were missing, and in my business, I'm going to start applying it, and I know that that's gonna make a huge difference. So in the outcome for the next projects that I have in mind, for
Great.
sure.
And for you, Patricia, did you find that today's little workshop supported you in what you needed for your business?
Yeah, absolutely. I make the possibility.
Yeah.
And I don't know. It's thank you for helping me. Pardon. And yeah, I crave for one plan.
So you've got goals.
I got a plan.
A plan. A new plan.
I try it, and I feel good for that because it's good for my job. It's one possibility.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
It's great.